Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Handycam and prepping the basics. Insert a fully charged NPF-V50 battery and lock it until you hear a click. This ensures stable power. Once done, open the LCD screen that wakes the camera and flip the lens cover. Make sure an SD card is inserted, then format the card and camera so files and speed are optimized. Set the mode dial to Auto or Intelligent Auto so you can focus on framing rather than menus. With power on and card ready, frame your shot using the LCD. You can pinch to zoom and tap to set focus and subject tracking. If faces look blown out or too dark, adjust exposure compensation in small 0. 3 stops until skin tones look natural. Once you understand the motion you want, change the recording setting. Choose 24p for a cinematic feel or 60i for smoother motion. Make sure bitrate and resolution match your delivery. Press the red record button to start. Watch the red tally on screen so you know recording is active. When done, press record again and immediately review the clip and playback. Use the index button to flag takes you want to save. If audio or image problems appear, make sure the battery is charged, the SD card isn't write protected, and the card was formatted in camera. If the camera still won't record, reboot it by removing battery for 10 seconds, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.